The theremin, born in the 1920s, lets players coax eerie melodies from air alone by sensing electromagnetic fields instead of touching strings. Benjamin Franklin's glass harmonica produced haunting tones with spinning glass bowls and inspired classical composers to experiment with tone color. At Monterey in 1967, Jimi Hendrix lit up the stage, turning a guitar into a blazing symbol of fearless live spectacle. In the studio, backwards guitar solos and tape loops became trusted tricks that created otherworldly echoes without new instruments. These midnight moments prove that music history is a treasure map of curious sounds and legendary legends.